everyone. We're going to go over our short constructed response for Instructional Cycle 6, the Kennedy-Faulkner Speech Analysis Chart. So we are looking at two speeches, one by William Faulkner, which was his Nobel Prize acceptance speech, and that is in your book on page 363. There are also resources in the OHS that can help you. We're also looking at President Kennedy's inaugural address from 1961, and that's in your book on page 366. Okay, so we are looking here, we're going to go through our soapstone. So we're thinking about who is our speaker. We know these are nonfiction pieces, so it's the voice that tells the story or creates the document. What's the occasion? So the time and the place. Why, when and where is this happening? Okay. Who is the audience? Who are they speaking to? All right. Pay close attention to who they're talking to in their speeches. Okay, what's the purpose? Why did they write this? What does the author want you to think after listening to the speech? What's the subject? Okay, what's the topic or topics or issues that are being addressed? And then finally, what's the tone, the manner that the information is presented, the mood, the way that the speaker sounds and wants you to feel. All right, so you can scroll down here and we have our chart. So first we're going to look at the Faulkner speech, and you're simply going to fill in who the speaker is, what the occasion is that he is speaking for, who he is speaking to, and the purpose. Why? And you wouldn't just say that it's the purpose is that he is accepting an award. There's another reason. Okay, what point is he trying to get across? Okay, what's his message? And then the subject. What's the topic, the speech or topics? And then the tone. How did he sound? How did it make you feel? What was the mood? And then you're going to find two quotes that help the speaker support his purpose and were effective. I would suggest that they be more than just a few words, and you may need a sentence of an explanation to back up why you think the quote was helpful if it's not explanatory. And then finally, you're going to write a 3 to 4 sentence summary of the speech, telling what it was about. You're going to do the same thing for President Kennedy's speech. Who was the speaker? What was the occasion, the audience, and the purpose? And once again, it's not just for his inaugural address. He's trying to convey a message. What is it? What were the subject or subjects in the speech, and what was the tone? How did he want his listeners to feel? And then once again, two quotes that helped him support his purpose and that were effective. Once again, you may, if your quote is very short or it is not obvious, you may need to add a sentence explaining why this quote was effective. And then a 3 to 4 sentence summary of the speech down here at the bottom. You can simply type in this document and upload this into the OHS.